Welcome to eMachineShop, where we strive to make custom manufacturing easy and marry precision and innovation in our aerospace tooling division. Inside the bustling hive of activity known as eMachineShop, a dedicated team of experts meticulously crafts high-quality tooling solutions for companies supporting ground support equipment or maintenance, repair and overhaul, each tailored to meet the exacting standards of the aerospace industry. To achieve this, we harness the power of cutting-edge technology. Precision machining and state-of-the-art 3D printing come together to create components that satisfy our stringent quality requirements. But quality isn't just about technology, it's about testing. Each tool undergoes rigorous checks, ensuring they can withstand the most demanding conditions and deliver the reliability our clients expect. And it's not just about making tools, it's about making a difference. Our engineers collaborate on every design, optimizing each tool for efficiency and performance. This approach helps keep our clients at the forefront of aerospace innovation. From our welding machines to powder coating, from our laser cutters to our water jets, from our CNC milling machines to our CNC lathes, we deliver aerospace tooling that meets the highest standards of precision and reliability. So, if you're looking for a partner in aerospace tooling, look no further. Contact us today to discuss your project needs or send us a tooling part number. Visit our website at eMachineShop.com or email us at salesteam@eMachineShop.com. Discover how eMachineShop can help support your aerospace projects.